Your mind is like a room with too many voices shouting at once, Master Ray said. If you want to hear truth, you must first silence the noise. It was dawn when Arin climbed the misty mountain to find the old monk everyone in the village spoke about, the one who could make a man see his soul. His head was full of thoughts, fears, failures, memories that echoed like broken glass. Arin began climbing the mountain path, each step cautious. Fog swirled around him, sunlight barely piercing through, giving the scene a mystical atmosphere. Close-up of Arin's face, tense and determined, with a few beads of sweat and wisps of hair in the wind. The mountain path wound behind him, disappearing into the mist. When he reached the temple, Master Ray handed him a small bowl filled to the brim with water. Walk to the gate without spilling a drop, the master instructed. The ancient temple gate appeared faintly through thick morning mist, wooden beams glowing softly from the rising sun. Arin stood below, awe on his face. Arin walked slowly toward the temple, mist parting around him, with distant birds flying overhead and faint rays of sunlight, creating a serene, mystical path. Inside a simple stone temple courtyard, an elderly monk with a long white beard and serene expression waited. Arin bowed respectfully, holding a water bowl. Master Ray handed Arin a small, full water bowl, his eyes calm yet instructive. Arin looked nervous but focused, understanding the challenge. Arin took a step, then another. The path was narrow, the ground uneven. Every sound, the wind, the birds, his heartbeat pulled his attention away. He carefully stepped along a narrow stone path with the water bowl. One misstep would spill it. Trees swayed gently, and sunlight filtered through mist, creating tension and beauty. Close up of the water bowl trembling in Arin's hands, water rippling, reflecting the soft morning light, while his hands shook slightly from concentration. He stumbled, spilling half the water. Master Ray smiled. Your mind is like that bowl, already full. How will you receive anything new if you carry so much? Arin frowned. How do I empty it? Arin stumbled, water spilling from the bowl. He looked disappointed, learning the lesson of a cluttered mind. The monk watched, calmly, unshaken. The master led him to a quiet pond. Sit, he said, and listen. Arin sat cross-legged by a quiet pond, mist rising gently from the water. His eyes were closed, his posture straight, slowly calming his mind. The reflection of trees shimmered on the pond surface. Arin sat for hours. At first, his mind screamed, "What am I doing? What if this is useless?" But slowly, the noise began to fade. The ripples on the pond matched his breathing. The air grew still. For the first time, he felt nothing. No thought, no worry, no fear, just presence. Close up of Arin's peaceful face, eyes closed, breathing slowly. Leaves gently fell around him. Wide shot of the pond with mountains reflected on the water. Arin, small but centered, bathed in golden morning light, fully absorbed in meditation. When he finally opened his eyes, the mountain looked different, brighter, alive, the same world, yet clearer than ever before. Arin opened his eyes, the mountain landscape revealed in sharp clarity. Sunlight illuminated the temple, trees, and rocks with warm tones. He looked awed, serene, and enlightened. Master Ray spoke softly behind him. Now you can begin to see. Only an empty mind can be filled with truth. Arin bowed. His journey hadn't ended. It had just begun. Not up the mountain, but inward. Close up of Arin smiling gently, eyes reflecting clarity and understanding. As the world around him felt alive and vibrant, a sense of inner peace radiated from him.